How do I change the bearings on a hotpoint bhwm129 integrated washing machine?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Sorry, not good news. The parts diagram shows this model as having a welded tub. A lot of washers nowadays have a complete wash tank where you cannot replace the bearings. Stupid idea, I know, but I'm afraid there's just nothing you can do on this. If the bearings have failed, you need to replace the complete tub. It's a case or remove old tub from washer and pop the new one in place. Click here for the part, but giving the price of the part, it will be cheaper to get hotpoint in, as they do a fixed price repair for about £105 depending on your area. This will be a lot cheaper as they will come out and replace it for you cheaper than you actually buying the new drum. Sorry, it's not good news, but if you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.